Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's just me, Tambari, coming to you looking like a mess right now. Don't judge me, it's okay. I've had my silk press in for about 1 week and it's time for a refresher because it's kind of looking a little like lifeless and my scalp is a little itchy. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna be using dry shampoo on my hair. Yeah. So excited to try that out. But you know what, low-key, I'm liking the curls that I have right now. I did something new last night where I rolled up my hair kind of like that and then pinned it. I did it in 4 sections and just to see if I could curl it up a little without using heat, and wow, it's cute. I want to keep this hair straight for at least 3 weeks. So we're going to be trying out the whole dry shampoo to refresh the scalp and also take in some of the oils that's in my hair. Soak it up a little. How y'all feeling these curls though? It's giving like, oh my goodness. Guys, this is actually really cute. I did not expect this. I hope the dry shampoo isn't gonna get rid of the body. Yaddy 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 yaddy. If you look closely, it's kind of stringy, and that's because my hair is a little greasy. So this dry shampoo that I'm using, Baptiste, hopefully will refresh the hair without drying it out, without getting rid of the moisture. Oh my gosh, guys, this is like giving Rachel from the 90s. I love this. Oh my gosh, now I don't want to touch this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyways, let's get into the video. What I learned from the internet is that first you gotta shake this up. And actually, you know what? Let me section my hair first. Excuse the wet patch underneath my armpits. I'm human. It's a little warm in the house today. That's what we have. So we're just gonna shake, and then spray towards your roots, 12 inches, and tumble around with your fingertips and add a little head massage to ensure roots are covered. Brush lightly to remove excess residue. That's about 12 inches. Shake it, right? I know the face that I'm making. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of white! Oh, I think I put too much. That was too close. That was too close. Ugh. I don't think I'm doing this right. Shake. Ah. Oh my god. This is a disaster. Okay. Well, let's continue. What is that? We're doing great. We're doing great. Oh man. Nope, I missed. they say this like white is supposed to like, oh, that is very white. They say it eventually goes away, like when you brush it off. Are you guys seeing any difference? I think I actually am. Oh my gosh, guys, I actually am seeing a difference. I think we're doing something. We're doing something here. Definitely doing something here. Like it's not as stringy. It's giving fluffy, which is such a vibe because my hair is you know, medium length. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Ah! I do need to flat iron my edges because, as you can see right there, the texture is coming back in, and that's just from like showering and accidentally getting water on the edges. You know what though? I would make a very beautiful grandma because it's looking like I'm getting like gray hair. It's like, oh. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, let's shake. Baptiste. My hair actually feels a lot lighter. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel... Okay, your girl kind of part her hair for like the life of her. Is that how you do it? Alright, so I definitely have more volume, which is amazing. I'm just gonna comb. It said to use a brush, but I don't have a brush, so I'm just gonna comb it out. Well, I don't have a paddle brush. I've got the boar's hair brush. I like it. I like it. And it still has the movement. Feels so good. It feels clean. My scalp feels clean. Like, it does. That itch is no longer there. Alright guys, that's it. That is it. I think it looks amazing. It feels amazing. It feels really good. Like, I definitely have more volume than I did when I first got the silk press. So I like it. I love it. And it looks like the gray cast is going away, which is awesome. Have you guys ever thought about using dry shampoo on your silk presses? Let me know in the comments if you're open to doing that, because I tell you, girl or guy, whew, I'm glad I got this. I am glad I got this. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.